Everything is fine, Shinigami eye. Today, I will be dressing up as Grimes. Again. Still. We're going to be recreating the Grimes Shinigami Eyes music video makeup look. I have my white wig that I've used in many other Grimes music video makeup looks, and what I did is I spent literally hundreds of hours applying little pieces of hair tinsel to it so it would be grimy. Let's get started on the makeup. I'm going to try to recreate this psychedelic look on myself using my variety of skills. So I just took my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer and I just kind of put that all over my face and blended it out with a beauty blender. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Diet Cola from my Conspiracy palette, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corners. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Ranch and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and kind of blend those two shades together. That looks pretty good, to be honest. Okay, you guys quit rattling stuff out there. It's rattly. So I'm going to take my Lorac Pro palette and I'm going to take the shade Copper and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. Close enough. Alrighty, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Alrighty, so now I have a special treat for you all. Last night, I went to Ulta and I picked up the Ariana Grande Rem Beauty eyeliner. We're gonna try to create like some really intense cat eyes, like Grimes has in the video. Question just occurred to me, and that question is, what are Shinigami eyes? Please write whatever it is in the comments down below so that we all learn. I'm not gonna lie, doing that was incredibly difficult, and I'm currently holding my eyes kind of open so that it doesn't like smudge. And so now, I guess, I'm going to wait for those to dry and then I'm going to attempt to do the same thing under my eyes. Wish me luck. By the way, I'm shaking from excessive caffeination. I'm not going to lie, that looks really good. So, this Rem eyeliner worked really good. It's not at all sponsored by Ariana Grande. I'm sorry, none of my videos are sponsored by Ariana Grande, unfortunately. But the eyeliner did work well. I would recommend it. Go buy it. Okay, so the more I'm going deeper into this look, like the more grimy it's getting, you know what I mean? This actually looks really similar. I'm proud of myself. So I guess the next step is I'm gonna do some eyebrows. So I'm just gonna take my NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Blonde and attempt to fill in my brows with it. Baby, upload your mind. We appreciate power. We appreciate power. Fresh out of eyebrow pencil. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna take a little bit of cedar and go back in and darken up those juicy face caterpillars. Gosh, I kind of love it. I kind of live for it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some blush. So I'm just going to take my Smashbox contour palette and I'm going to take this pinky shade and put it all over my cheeks. That looks glorious. Now I'm going to go in with some highlight. I'm going to take my Pacifica highlighter that smells like coconuts and just put that all over my cheeks, and in any other areas I can highlight. Alrighty, so far that looks really bomb. So now I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the shade Mauve. I'm just going to line my lips with that. don't really have the right lipstick for this, so I think I'm going to make one. So I'm going to take a little bit of Not a Fact from my Conspiracy palette and put that on my lips. This kind of looks good. So now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Stone Vibes lip gloss and I'm going to put a little bit of that like in the center of my lips. Now I'm going to take the shimmery, shiny side of this LA Colors Lip Duo, and I'm going to kind of like tie everything in together with this. Alright, I think the lips are done, so you know what that means? It's time for us to put on our wig and transform into maximum griminess. Oh wait. I completely forgot. We gotta do mascara. Let's do some mascara very quickly. Back to the wig. If you're looking for a dream girl, I'll never be a dream girl, living in the real world. Oh. This is our grimy look. We look gorgeous. The hair tinsel really added like the extra bit of griminess I was craving into my life. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. Please like, comment, and subscribe so that the YouTube algorithm picks up my channel, and also so I have the motivation to keep making YouTube videos, because if y'all don't subscribe, I don't know if I'm doing good. In love with the greatest game on. No, he always loves the game more than he loves me. Na 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 na, sail away to cold, expensive places. If you're looking for a dream girl,